Hello everyone. This is the third video in our lecture series. In my previous video, I have shown you very basic statistics that you can do in R. In this video, I will going to show you the basic plots that you can do in R, like line plot, scatter plot, bar plot, box whisker plot, and so on. So I will going to take a data series. I will again use the same data series that I have been using from my last video. So I have a you know object that is have 6 column and 11 rows. So now I want to plot, I want to simply do a scatter plot. Then I will just write plot and then I will write the name of the object. Until now, I was showing that how to extract a column by giving third bracket and then giving comma and writing 1 for first column, 2 for second column. From now, I will change it and I will show you another process that you can just put a dollar symbol in here, and after putting the dollar symbol you will see the name of the column automatically coming. So I will take the first column, which is B, and then I will hit enter. So you can see this is the scattered plot, this is the point plots, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So if I want to do the third one, for example, G, then I will do the same thing and I will get the same plot. Now what if I want to get the same thing, but I want to get in a line form? What I will do, I will just put comma and then I will write type, which is equals to L for line. Yes, so this is a line plot. Now, as I have mentioned in my previous video, if you are more interested in what are the arguments involved in the plot, you can just type the integration symbol and then you can hit enter, and this information you will find in help tab. So what if I want to see this two plot, two column, uh, two two columns in the same plot. For example, I want to see the column B and column G in this same graph. What I will do? So before that, you have to keep in mind that the maximum value and minimum value of this both the column should satisfy in the x-axis. That means the as you can see in G, the minimum value is 372. So of course the minimum value in y-axis should be less than 372, and maximum value should be greater than 11,141. So I will enter plot and then I will I will put comma and do a dollar B. Then as previous I will do type equals to L, but now a new argument is that y lim, which is y limit. So I'm going to put it as less than 300, less than 370 is 300, and more than 11,000 something. So I will put it as 1200. Okay. So like that. So now if I want to put this G column, what I will do, I will just write lines, L-I-N-E-S, lines, a dollar G, and you can see this is the second line. So of the point that I was previously telling, that you have to keep in mind that what is your maximum limit of both the line and minimum limit of both the line, and accordingly you have to set the limit in the y-axis. Otherwise you will see that you will be entering the command, it is running, but there is no line coming, and the reason is that maybe your minimum value of one line is not satisfying this x limit. Okay, so what if I want to change the color of the line? For example, I want to change the color of the second line. So I will write color equals to, for example, red. So it is red. What if I want to change the width of the line? Width is LWD, it is line width. LWD, for example, I want to give 2. So as you can see, it is now a little bit bold. Now, most of the time we are interested in changing the y and x axis. So that also we can do in this plot function. So I will go, yes, I will go in this plot function. I will write xlab. This is x label. For example, I want to give it as anything like people, and y lab as for example income. So you can see now it has changed income and then people. So I'll do the lines again and it will come like that. So likewise you can do multiple plots in this. Like if I want to see well, it will not, because I think in H is it, yes, H I can do because it is within the limit. Yes, so likewise we can do many we can plot many lines in a single plot. Okay, so the next question is that how to give legend. So you have a legend command inbuilt in R. So like if I want to give legend in the for example in the top left corner, so what I will do, I will write within the inverted comma top okay, left, then I will give the legend, the name of the legend, like the name of this line. For example, it is first one is A, second one is B, and third one is C. Okay, and then you can give the name of the line, color of the line. Color equals to for example, first one is black, second one is blue, and last one is red. Okay, and then your line type. Here we have continuous line, sometimes we have also dotted line, dash line. So for that we will give LTY equals to all our continuous line. So this will be 111. Let's see. Yeah, as you can see, this is black, blue, and red. Of course, these both are black because I haven't changed the color. But if I change the color as this one, like color equals to blue. Oops. I think, oh, sorry. Yes, this one. Color equals to blue. Yes, now you can see one is black, one is blue, one is red. So accordingly, I have given the legend name. So whatever your legend preferred legend name is, you can give it. And also if you want to remove this box, you can remove it remove it just by uh, typing bty equals to n, but I have to do it again to show you that yes, it will be removed. Okay, so I will do, yes, the red one. The last one is blue one. Okay, then I will give legend and I will type bty equals to n. Yes, so it looks nice and neat in this. So likewise you can do the line plot in R very easily. So there are more complex plot. Of course, there are more complex uh, plots are there. That I will cover in my next subsequent videos. Now move on to like box plot. It's very important for any data set. It is very important to check through box plot. So my object name was A, so I have put it as A box plot and enter. So you can see this is the six data series, and as you can see why it is so small, we have a outlier here. So this is the outlier. Oh, I have removed it. Anyways, so like if you want to remove the outlier, you can just type outline equals to false, or you can type full false, or only F will also work. So this is the your box plot. So this is the uh, uh, 75th percentile. This is the median. This is the 25th percentile. This is the minimum and this is the maximum. So same is for this 5 data series. So like if we want to see only one data series, then what we will do, we'll just type box plot a dollar b and then hit enter. Yeah, this is more it's pretty well visible. So sometimes it is also needed that in addition to mean, we also want to plot mean in the box plot. So it's very simple, nothing. Just you have to do mean of the desired data series, for example this one, and then you have to put it in a uh, object. For example, I'm giving it name A1, hit enter. This is your mean, you can see it. Now I will just overlay it using the function points like A1, and I'm hitting enter. So you can see now mean and median both you can see in a single box plot. It is a very good way to see your data. You can visualize uh, very efficiently. So now I will move towards bar plot. So let's do bar plot. These are the very basic thing that comes already with the R. No extra package. You do not need in any extra package that you have to install and do. There are very efficient extra packages like ggplots that we will cover in some other videos. These are very basic one. So in bar plot, for example, we want to see the fourth column. So this is the bar plot, as I have shown you in my just previous plot, that how you can change the x-axis name, y-axis name. You can just do in the same way in case of bar plot also. Now I think the remaining, yes, the another one is like histogram. So histogram, for example, first one, this is the histogram plot. Yeah, So this is the frequency, the histogram with frequency. So it's very easy, just have to know the function hist, and you have to your desired data series have to put in it, and within a second you will be able to see a nice wonderful plot. So then what if I want to fit a curve, density curve in it, and a nice density curve in it, to see whether it is a Gaussian distribution, it is skewed, it is positively skewed or negatively skewed. For that, I will just change this to probability. Uh, yes, equals to true. Yep, and then I will do the yep. I will do lines with density. So yeah, we will just give lines, then density, and the desired data series. And if you want, you can choose any color. And then I will hit enter. So this is the actually the density curve for this data series. You can see, of course, it is not. I mean, it is not a good Gaussian distribution, but yeah, it is. I mean, close to Gaussian distribution. Mean it is a little bit positively skewed type of data. So these are the basic plot, like scatter, line, bar plot, histogram, box plot. These are very basic and easy plot that you can do when you see your data, to know more about the data. So I think this is for this very basic plots. I will try to cover some more plots in my subsequent videos. If you have any question, if you have any suggestion, please comment it. Let me know if you want to, if you want me to make some other videos also. Then also I can just comment it. I will be happy to make videos on it. For now, I think this will be the end of video. If you really like it, then please hit the like button, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.